Travis here from Kelowna Chevrolet to show you this certified pre-owned 2020 Mitsubishi Outlander GT. Powering this accident-free one-owner plug-in hybrid four-wheel drive SUV is a gas-electric 2-liter 4-cylinder engine paired to a 1-speed automatic transmission that can get you just 9 liters per 100 kilometers on average. Looking in the hatch of the vehicle, you have lots of cargo space, access to 1500 watt power, your charger cable, rubber floor mats, you have the nice rubberized cargo mat, additional storage along the sides, as well as a retractable cover. This vehicle also has a powered liftgate. Now moving up to the interior, you have power adjustable mirrors and windows. Your steering wheel has your hands-free audio, cruise control, as well as these nice paddle shifters. This vehicle currently has only 30,455 kilometers. You have a large infotainment unit, dual zone automatic climate controls, your liftgate access, heated steering wheel, blind spot awareness, as well as a light for your 1500 watt power in the hatch and your eco mode. You have your gear select and charge settings, your four-wheel drive, EV modes, parking, and heated front seats. This vehicle also has leather and cloth seats, and the front two are power adjustable. For the back of the interior, you have a pocket in the back of the front passenger seat. You have rear AC, as well as access to power. These are 60/40 split folding rear seats with a flip-down cup holder in the center. Along with that, you have a great view of the sun moonroof. If you would like to see this 2020 Mitsubishi Outlander plug-in hybrid GT in person or take it for a test drive, come and see us at Kelowna Chevrolet, where car buying is easier than you think.